This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Demai, Perek Zayin, Mishna Zayin. This Mishnah will teach about when wine of Tevel and Chulin, or Tevel and Maiserishin, or Chulin and Maiserishin become mixed together. Now, usually if there's any mixture that involves Tevel, a person can simply use other Tevel and then separate from that other Tevel for this Tevel that got mixed in with the Chulin or Maiserishin. But in our Mishnah, we're talking about a case where the person does not have other Tevel. And the Mishnah teaches, Mea Tevel, Mea Chulin, if 100 loig, which is a liquid measurement, of Tevel wine and 100 loig of Chulin wine got mixed together. So what the person does is Neitel Meya ve'echa. They take 101 loig. So what they do is they take 100 loig and they set it aside, and that's going to be treated as regular Tevel. Now we're talking about Tevel over here that already had the Truma removed from it. So what the person will have to do is they're going to have to remove 10 for Maiserishin, and then there will remain 90. They'll remove 9 for Maiser Sheni, and then from the 10 of Maiserishin, they're going to take out 1 that the Levi will give as Trumas Meiser to the Kohen. Now, in addition, the person also separated another one, which is going to be given to the Kohen as Trumas Meiser, because since this is a mixture and we don't know what's Tevel and what's Chulin, so they have to treat the Chulin as Tevel in regards to Trumas Meiser, and the Kohen will end up getting an extra leg of Trumas Meiser. So the person separates 101, 100 they treat as regular Tevel, which they end up taking out 10 for Maiserishin, 9 for Maiser Sheni, and from the 10 of Maiserishin, 1 leg goes to the Kohen as Trumas Meiser, and they have another one that they took out from the Chulin that's also given as Trumas Meiser. And the reason we're stricter with Trumas Meiser is because Trumas Meiser cannot be eaten by a regular person, which is not so by the Maiserishin and Maiser Sheni or Maiser Ani. The Mishnah continues, Mea Tevel, Mea Maiser, if 100 leg of Tevel wine mixed with 100 leg of Maiser Rishon wine. So Neitel Mea ve'echad, again, the person takes 101. What they do is the first 100 they treat as regular Tevel, and so they take out of it 10 leg for Maiser, 9 for Maiser Sheni, and then from the 10 of Maiser Rishon they take out 1 that goes to the Kohen as Trumas Maiser, and they took out an extra one from the Maiser Rishon to also be given as Trumas Meiser, because like we said, we treat the whole thing as if it's all Tevel in regards to the Trumas Meiser. And then from the remaining 99 leg of Maiserishin, 9.9 has to be given, which is a tenth, to the Kohen as Trumas Meiser. The Mishnah continues, Mea Chulin Musukanim, Mea Meiser, if 100 leg of fixed Chulin wine mixed with 100 leg of Maiserishin wine. So again, Neitel Mea ve'eser, a person takes out 110 leg. So what they do over here is they take out 100 leg, which is going to be Maiserishin, and then from there they're going to take out 10 to give to the Kohen as Trumas Meiser. And since we have to treat the whole thing as if it's this Maiserishin, the person took out an additional 10 of Trumas Meiser that they're going to give to the Kohen. So the Kohen ends up getting an extra 10 leg of Trumas Meiser. And the Mishnah concludes, Mea Tevel Tishim Meiser, if the mixture is such that it's not the same number, it's 100 of Tevel and 90 of Meiser, or Tishim Tevel Ushmeine Meiser, or 90 that are Tevel and 80 that are Meiser. So in such a case, since there's 10 more of the Tevel than of the Meiser, Lahifsid Klum, the person doesn't lose out anything, because what we say is that that extra 10 leg of Tevel, it has to be 10 leg. So that extra 10 leg of Tevel, we say it's as if it's not mixed in. So when we have 190, we view it as if it's 90 and 90, and the extra 10 leg of Tevel, we see it as if it's outside of the mixture. And we learned earlier that if a person has outside Tevel, they could use that to fix the Tevel that got mixed in. And so therefore, in such a case, like said Klum, the person doesn't lose out anything, meaning they don't end up giving extra Trumas Meiser to the Kohen like they had to in the other cases. And the Mishnah concludes, Zeh HaKlal, this is the rule, Kol Zman Sha Tevel Meruba, as long as there's more Tevel than of the Meiser that it's mixed with, or than the Chulin that it's mixed with, and it's at least 10 more, so then like Klum, the person doesn't lose out anything.